design thinking where we have to innovate an existing product by asking customers about their feedback and opinion. Innovation in the sense to make the product best version of itself. And for this activity, my product is X, which was also called Twitter in the past. Our company name is NextGen Creation and here is our company logo. We got lot of feedbacks from our customers. Some of them are, first one, to add a vibe check button to quickly filter tweets based on their mood, funny, chill, serious, with a meme option. Lets people customize their profile themes with colors, font, even with music. Third one is, add an option for private friend group which can only be viewed by friends, not the whole world. But our app should prevent illegal conversation. Fourth one, auto-deletion of mean comments or fake tweets. App should be AI powered with better algorithm. Fifth one, should delete all the bot accounts. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feeling and requirement of customers, many new features are to be added to the existing product. Features to be added are, first one, vibe check button. Second one, meme option for more laugher. Third option, auto-deletion of mean comments. Fifth option, AI-powered, better algorithm. Sixth option, no ads. Seventh, option for customizing your profile. And our futuristic product name is XFree for free speech. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised us to draw a sketch. And here is my sketch. As actual working